Hey, I'm Arathi Chandran. I work for the Boston Consulting Group. I am a project leader. I worked in the oil and gas industry before going to Booth. I was looking for a school that could help me build a strong foundation in business and round me up as a business leader. One thing that you find in Booth is people are not afraid to speak their minds. You have very strong, very relevant yet competing viewpoints, and you come out of the classroom thinking, gosh, I never knew you could think all these different ways about a single problem. Today, I find myself in client discussions in very similar situations where when you come up with a view or a strategy, somebody else in the room says, but why not this? So I felt that sort of a very collaborative, rigorous, and very intense discussion experience prepared me really well for consulting.